Yesterday we have released one press statement where we have given 7 days ultimatum for the state government since it has been revealed through media, through this one Madam Aipor and all, that there will be no backlog. They are not mentioning anything to fill up those backlog. And moreover, there has been suggestion that the provision which was agreed in 1972, it is the question of equity. Since the inception of our Meghalaya state, our tribe has been deprived of all the right. This one agreement which was agreed by all the hill state movement at the time of the resolution and all. See, this one our brother Hino tribe, they are getting their share of their due share. But what about us? We are not even in a level 1 position. For Group D also, this one if you check. This one data and all, it's available in the internet also as well. If you check in the Group D also, our tribe has been totally deprived of our due share and all. So I don't think it should be a burden on the government. It's because we are demanding what is our due share. We are not taking away anyone's right, but we are demanding our share, what was promised to us at the time of the inception of this Meghalaya state. That will totally depend on the response we will be receiving.